Nature is all around us. It's in the trees and the flowers. In the same way, creativity lies in all of us. So let's come together and explore our creative corner. Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In these times of technological overload, we are forgetting about the beauty of art. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to introduce you a very classy gift item with homemade maida, which is very cost effective. इसके लिए मैंने पेड़ की सूखी कांटे वाली लकड़ियों को लिया है. The clay I have used here is made up of fine flour. In Hindi we call it maida. For ratio you can check the description box as I have given the full method of making it. You can use any flour of your choice. मैंने यहाँ पर डेलिया flour लिया है. For making this artwork, I have used a wooden plank which is easily available at Itsy Bitsy online store. I have taken 3 circles and in further videos I'm gonna make them in the same way. For making the base, I have taken only fabric color. I have not used any thick texture, just fabric colors, and taken a thick amount of them and use some golden flakes along with them. So after completing this much, we will color the whole picture. We will take the brown color, somewhere green, and I'm not using any white color with them. Only colors and water effect is being given over here. After finishing the coloring part, this is the thermocol plank where I'm going to set up everything. Put a layer of Fevicol by the sides and stick this sheet. I made this design with the help of fine paper cutter. You can choose any design of your choice and stick it properly. After this, we will take this clay work which we did, and we will also stick it with the help of Fevicol. Apply it properly so that it may not come out easily, and then paste it on this. Now I'm using this LED light for giving it a charming effect. I have stuck this wooden frame with this black tape, and now we will put this glass, and we will stick this glass again with this black tape and make a border of it. From the back, we will cover this thermocol plank with this tape. So you see, this is the final touch of this beautiful box DIY, and I hope you will be able to make it very easily if you will try it. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.